Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this class, we will discuss sp3d hybridization. Already we discussed sp3 hybridization in last class. Okay, so sp3d hybridization means 1 s orbital, 3 p orbitals, 1 d orbital. These 5 atomic orbitals are intermixed together to form a 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals. So diagrammatically, s orbital as spherical shape and p orbital as a dumbbell shape. So we know that p subshell contains three types of p orbitals. They are px, py, and pz. Next, d orbital as dumbbell shape. D orbital as dumbbell shape. And here d subshell contains 5 d orbitals. In this sp3d hybridization, dx square minus y square orbital will be participated. So then here we will get same shape and similar energy of 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals will be formed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals will be formed by the intermixing of 1 s orbital, 3 p orbitals, and 1 d orbital. These are having different shape and almost same energy, and these orbitals must be in the same orbit. Okay, sorry. Next, here whenever these 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals are joined together, then what will happen? One specific geometry of molecule will be formed. Okay, so these are joined together in which direction the repulsions are minimum. Okay, so here form a trigonal bipyramidal shape. Trigonal bipyramidal shape. Trigonal bipyramidal shape. Okay, so sp3d, 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 and sp3d. Okay, so it is a trigonal bipyramidal. What is the shape of this one? Trigonal bipyramidal shape. Bipyramidal shape. And what is the bond angle? Here sp3d hybridization molecule contains two kinds of bond angles. They are 90 degrees and 120 degrees. 90 degrees and 120 degrees. Okay, next to percentage character of atomic orbital in this sp3d hybrid orbital. So sp3d hybrid orbital contains 5 atomic orbitals. So that's why 100 by 5. So each atomic orbital has 20% character. So that is percentage s character is 20%. Percentage p character. How many p orbitals are there? 3. So that is 3 into 20. So 60%. And percentage d character. Only one d orbital is there. So that is 1 into 20. So 20%. Okay, this is percentage character of atomic orbitals in the sp3d hybrid orbital. Okay, now we will see one example. So we know that very familiar phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride. So in this, what is the central atom? What is central atom? Phosphorus is central atom. So central atom is a phosphorus. Central atom is a phosphorus. Its atomic number is a 15. So electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. So here outermost configuration we have to consider. Okay, so here in ground state, s orbital filled with 2 electrons, p subshell filled with 3 electrons, and there is no electrons in the d subshell. Here in the third shell we have 3 types of subshells. They are s subshell, p subshell, and d subshell. Okay, so here actually in the ground state there is no electrons in the d subshell. But in excited state, what will happen? So one of the electrons in the s orbital will be jumped into the vacant d orbital. So then here s orbital contains 1 unpaired electron, p subshell contains 3 unpaired electrons, and d subshell also containing 1 unpaired electron. So totally here 5 atomic orbitals are there. These 5 atomic orbitals are intermixed together, form a 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals. So next, in this molecule, what is the bonded atom? bonded atom is a chlorine. So Ba means bonded atom, short form. So that is chlorine. So chlorine atomic number is 17. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. 3s2, 3p5. So consider outermost electronic configuration. So in a S subshell 2 electrons, in P subshell 5 electrons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it is S orbital, it is Px, Py and Pz. So this Pz orbital contains a unpaired electron. Unpaired electron. So that's why this Pz orbital of a chlorine atom will be overlapping with a sp3d hybrid orbital of a phosphorus. So each sp3d hybrid orbital in the phosphorus, one unpaired electron is present. So that hybrid orbital will be overlapping with a Pz orbital of a chlorine atom. So then here we have 5 sp3d hybrid orbitals. So 5 sigma bonds will be formed through axial overlapping. Understand? So now we will see that. Okay, so we know that sp3d hybrid orbital means sp3d hybridization as a trigonal bipyramidal shape which are having all bond pairs. Okay, so here sp3d, 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 sp3d. So each sp3d contains one unpaired electron. We know that one unpaired. Here I am taking electrons as dots. Okay, unpaired electrons. Clear? So this one unpaired electron of sp3d hybrid orbital of phosphorus overlaps with a Pz orbital of a chlorine atom. Pz orbital of a chlorine atom to form a sigma bond. So one electron from Pz orbital of a chlorine atom. So this is what this is a Pz orbital of a chlorine atom. Pz orbital of a chlorine atom. So what is the central atom here? This is a phosphorus. Okay. So here sigma bond is formed. Sigma this is. So sigma bond here sigma, 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 sigma. So how many sigma bonds are formed here? So 5 sigma bonds. 5 sigma bonds. 5 sigma bonds. These 5 sigma bonds are formed between sp3d hybrid orbital of phosphorus and Pz orbital of a chlorine atom. Okay, so now we will see bond and structure. So here this is the phosphorus is the central atom. This phosphorus is bonded to 5 chlorine atoms separately. 5 chlorine atoms separately and form a trigonal bipyramidal shape. Trigonal bipyramidal shape. So this is a trigonal bipyramidal shape. Phosphorus is central atom. This phosphorus is bonded to 5 chlorine atoms. So this is the shape of this one. Clear? Understand? So what is the bond angle here? We have two types of bond angles. Here 90 degrees and here 120 degrees. 90 degrees and 120 degrees. Okay. So here PCl5 is existed, but what about NCl5? What about NCl5? Here I want to give one question. So here the question is NCl5 existed? So this is I want to give the question for you. So if you know the answer, please mention the answer in the comment section. Understand? So actually both nitrogen and phosphorus are present in the same group, but here PCl5 is existed. So here NCl5 is existed or not? If it is existed, why? If it is not existed, why? So reason also try to mention in the comment section. Okay, I hope you understood this video, this class. Thank you very much.